Best Laptop for Photographers in 2022. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. So, where are the photographers? This video is a boom for photographers. So, today I'm gonna share the best laptop for photographers in 2022. I'm sure you're gonna love this amazing video full of magical gadgets. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start with the video. Well, if you are new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the Guide Zoo. Also do share it with your friends and families. Choosing the high-quality laptop for photographers isn't hard. However, it does take some time and effort. After all, you can't simply go for a top-of-the-line system touting the nice processor, the high-quality graphics card, and the quickest RAM, and hope it will fulfill your needs. While that laptop has to be capable of supplying rapid, overall performance that won't interrupt your innovative method when modifying and managing whatever you can throw at it. Whether or not you use Adobe, Photoshop, Lightroom, or a free picture editor, it might now take other matters off your list. So, today I'm gonna share some of the best laptops, so you can choose any of them depending on your needs. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16 inches, powerful Apple device for photographers. There are numerous reasons that the MacBook Pro 16 inch is such an exceptional device for photographers and picture editors. From the inclusion of an SDXC and 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports to an extraordinarily wonderful show with a very extensive shade range, not to point out its incredibly effective internals, it's a pleasure to work on. It additionally comes with a stellar battery existence that won't throttle your performance when unplugged, so it's perfect for use in the area as well. The MacBook Pro 16 inch is one of the high-quality laptops innovative specialists can buy, thanks to its notable performance, amazing screen, and long battery life. However, it is massive and heavy, which is why the 14-inch MacBook Pro can also be a higher purchase until you choose a larger display and longer battery life. Apple has made a top-class portable with the MacBook Pro 16 inch that can't be beat. Released alongside with its smaller counterpart, the MacBook Pro 14 inch. This outstanding laptop has redefined what an expert notebook is successful of, being the larger of the two and Apple's flagship laptop. It should come as no surprise to find out that the MacBook Pro 16 inch is a pricey laptop, considering its model comes with an M1 Pro chip with a 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, 16 GB of unified memory, and 512 GB of SSD storage. When it comes to design, the MacBook Pro 16 inch's biggest exchange is with the screen. It's now a Liquid Retina XDR show offering mini LED science that offers up to 1000 units of sustained, full screen brightness. Better still, the MacBook Pro 16 inch is successful with up to 1600 nits of top brightness and a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, which is seriously a great deal for photographers. Now, moving towards the second option of the best laptop for photographers. Number 2. MacBook Pro 14 inches, best for photography. The MacBook Pro has honestly made its whole transformation as a laptop computer for innovative experts with the launch of the MacBook Pro 14 inch 2021 and its 16 inch counterpart. These compact laptops are the types that deliver both stunning battery life and breathtaking performance with the new M1 Pro and M1 Max. Of course, Apple then rounds it all out with its XDR show with 1600 nits of peak brightness and a huge shade gamut, an SD card slot, an HDMI port, and 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, all of which can stay reachable thanks to MagSafe charging being back. The MacBook Pro 14 inch 2021 is the nice laptop for innovative specialists you can buy. It presents great performance, even on battery, and comes with the fine screen you'll discover on a device anywhere. For everyday use, this won't be the laptop for you, but for video editors, programmers, sound producers, and photographers, you won't get a higher laptop. The MacBook Pro 14 inch is a nevertheless rather compact laptop with a notable choice of ports providing 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, and a MagSafe 3 port for charging, and lots of energy inside. By aiming the MacBook Pro 14 inch squarely at experts searching for an actual cell workstation, and leaving the thin-eyed and svelte layout to the greater mainstream MacBook Air, Apple has made a system that is arguably a greater niche, however always extra successful. Isn't it amazing? Well, Now it's time to discuss the third best laptop option for photographers. Number 3. Gigabyte Aero 17, best professional kit for photographers. One of the most effective cell workstations out there. The Gigabyte Aero 17 comes with a lot of power, a notable display, and a complete Lotto port. Best yet, it's priced properly under its less powerful rivals, making it a higher proposition even if you have an extra bendy budget. It isn't through any capability perfect. The battery existence could use a bit of a boost. For example, the Gigabyte Aero 17 is truly one of the most effective cell workstations for an innovative expert you're going to find. Best of all, it is priced well under its less powerful competitors regardless of configuration. So its price to performance ratio must put it at the top of the listing for any innovative expert searching to improve their work laptop. That said, all this comes at the cost of portability and battery life. And while it can play AA video games very well, there are better gaming laptops out there. The Gigabyte Aero 17 is one that comes out with the new mobile NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPU. And for a transportable creatives workstation, you're going to be hard-pressed to locate anything as effective as this laptop. It's actually one of the high-quality laptops for image format and video enhancing on the market today. Pairing a powerful 10th Gen Intel Core i7 or an CPU with the modern RTX 3060, RTX 3070, or RTX 3080 GPU. The Gigabyte Aero 17 provides innovative professionals exceptional overall performance beginning at a mid-range rate and scales up to one of the most powerful cell workstations for pictures design, video editing, and 3D rendering we have viewed yet, all while maintaining the rate from really strolling away with all your money. The chassis is very properly designed and provides a seam it truly is someplace between a gaming laptop and a professional workstation, though the RGB lighting on the keyboard may be too plenty for the office. The construct is high quality, and while the keyboard and trackpad are not the best, they'll do in a pinch if you're away from your desk. Fortunately, it has ports for days and Bluetooth 5.0 built in, so connecting the best peripherals takes no time at all. Now let's discuss the last one. I hope you like all of these laptop options for photography. Do not forget to share your favorite one in the comments section. Number 4. Dell Xps 15 Ultimate Best Laptop for Photography. The Dell Xps 15 may simply be excellent adequate to tempt hardcore Mac users. It's effortlessly the high-quality laptop for picture modifying at present, and in a lot of ways, the nice laptop period. Combining amazing power and an elegant, skinny, and mild chassis, this laptop doesn't hold back when it comes to internals and elements that enhance your computing journey overall. Among those superb elements are a superb shiny display with 500 nits of brightness, an extraordinarily comfy keyboard, awesome speakers, and a superb trackpad. The Dell Xps 15 is effortlessly the greatest 15-inch laptop on the market, and in a lot of ways, it's the best laptop computer period. It's extraordinarily powerful, stylish, and light enough to lift around town. No one severely can discover any device that holds it back. It's the final pairing of overall performance and features, giving customers sufficient power to handle most tasks in this facet of 3D format and aspects like the keyboard, trackpad, display, and speakers that are the best in their class. To make it even better, the show bezels are incredibly small, so practically all you see is the screen. It provides even extra splendor to an already lovely laptop. This show is one of the largest reasons to go for the Xps 15, whether or not you are an innovative expert that wants a bright, color-accurate display for work, or you simply like high-resolution suggestions and films every time you get a break. While it is not so powerful that professional video editors and 3D artists will jump for it, it's really powerful for someone who does this stuff for a hobby. And it is really nice for picture editing and for people who love pictures, since they would not like to be slowed down by complicated computer projects. Now, it's time to end this video. I hope you like it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Guide Zoo. See you soon with another exciting video.